Are you taking video?
Mm-hmm.
This is Jerry opening up his Christmas present.
This is Jerry opening up his Christmas present. We go over here. It's very intense. He's a very intense puppy.
Need some help, Jerry? I might take my finger off.
We're going to open that box. Yeah, I know something in there. Alright, let's play with the paper a little bit.
Jerry, stay here.
You got shoes.
Oh! Whoever wrapped this doesn't realize you don't have opposable thumbs. Here we go. What's this?
Go get it.
Oh boy, you smell peanut butter? Oh boy. You did it. Alright. You know, if you're going to eat this, you're going to go outside because you're going to puke.
Look at the little tail go. What do you got, Jerry? Oh.
Alright, I'm going to take him outside with that, though. Okay, Jerry, let's take it outside.
Oh,
Come on, bring a treat. Come on, let's go. Outside.
and off he goes. Off he goes.
Yeah, let's put a treat out of the way. Mom and Dad are
Yeah.
You're trying to catch Jerry.
There he goes. Oh boy, I'm out of here.